Hey, welcome to my channel. My goal is to help you make your lives easier by answering all of your technology related questions through the tutorials that I upload every week. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here and the bell notification icon just below this video and help me help you. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to activate Gmail Dark Mode Android and Gmail Dark Mode iOS. I am holding an Android device, but the Gmail application has been designed in such a way that the interface is exactly the same for an Android as well as an iOS device. So from this video, you can learn how to activate the dark mode in either Android or iOS. To activate the dark mode, we just have to find the Gmail application on our phones, and as soon as we find it, we just click on it, and now you can see that the Gmail app is open in my phone. So now what we do is we go to the top left hand portion of the screen, and here we can see three lines which are the menu, and we click on the three lines which opens up the menu for Gmail, and we scroll down where we find at the bottom of the screen a settings cog, and as soon as we click on the settings button in Android, our screen opens up on which we have to click on general settings, and in general settings we will see an option of the theme which has been set to light. And now to activate the dark mode, just click on dark, and the settings have been changed, and now the dark mode has been activated in our phones on the Gmail app. The procedure is exactly the same for iOS, only when you go click on the menu option and when you go down and click on the settings option, you will not see this particular screen in iOS. It will straight away take you to this screen where you will find a theme option, and just click on that theme option and select the dark mode, which will activate the dark mode in iOS for you. So this is how you activate the dark mode in Android and iOS. And if you like the content, please hit on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you guys can keep updated with the content that I'm posting. And if you have any other problems in using the Gmail app, please let me know in the comments so that I can try to get back to them as soon as possible. Stay safe, signing off.